That's the new titanium Chameleon long range whip, and you can see it's got a massive battery backstay or back tray, whatever you want to call it. It's got a big butt, and you can chuck a big battery on that big butt. So that's what I'm coming here to do today. I've got a mayhemRc 2200 milliamp 4S 65C, yeah, 70C, and I'm gonna place that on there like such, and possibly even put this camera, the GoPro Hero 6, on the front, depending on a few test flights. I'm gonna go up and down this road, give it a few rangy tests, and then we'll chuck the Hero 6 on. So see you there. Well, I just went for a test fly, and it flew really well. Besides, my RSSI wasn't working, so I didn't set that up properly. Other than that, it was pretty cool. Camera could probably be upgraded. I think it's like just a Swift, not a Swift 2. So I could probably change that and get that RSSI working. But since it didn't fail safe on me, it flew pretty well. I'm going to chuck the Hero 6 and the 2200 milliamp on and just fly around and see how long this beast will get me. So let's let you jump on. Well, good to see the Hero 6 is still there. No fail-safes and obviously no RSSI warnings because that's not set up properly, but motors seem fine. And a respectable 7 minutes there. A bit over 7 minutes, but 7 minutes flying. The Stingy I got, whoop, I should go this way. The Stingy I've got 9 minutes 37 out of, so that's pretty cool. But I mean that was the second flight of this thing, so yeah, cool.